The VRS Damda Glide Ultimate Case is a perfect fusion of durability and functionality, designed for those who need both protection and convenience. Featuring a rugged dual-layer construction, it offers military-grade drop protection, safeguarding the Galaxy S25 Ultra from shocks, scratches, and impacts. The sturdy polycarbonate shell combined with a TPU bumper ensures excellent shock absorption without adding excessive bulk. A standout feature is its sliding card compartment, capable of securely storing up to 4 cards or cash, eliminating the need for a wallet. The mechanism is smooth yet firm, ensuring your essentials stay protected without accidental openings. Despite its reinforced structure, the case maintains a relatively slim profile, allowing easy pocketability. The raised bezels around the screen and camera provide additional protection against surface contact. Designed for practicality, the case supports wireless charging with a compatible charger, and precise cutouts ensure full access to ports and buttons. The tactile button covers enhance usability without reducing responsiveness. While the case is slightly heavier due to its robust construction, it's a fair trade-off for superior protection and wallet functionality. Though pricier than standard cases, the VRS Damda Glide Ultimate offers unmatched protection and utility, making it an excellent investment for those seeking maximum security with everyday convenience. If you prioritize durability, storage, and a sleek design, this case is a top-tier choice for your Galaxy S25 Ultra.